guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to another episode of Crafty Combinations. Today I am combining Christmas Donuts paper pad with coordinating ephemera, and we are doing the sketch from Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers. This is sketch challenge number 42. And every month they have a new sketch. This month, Not Too Shabby is sponsoring this challenge. You could win this fabulous prize. So all you have to do is create a card using sketch challenge number 42, enter it into their Facebook group for a chance to win the prize. So today I'm going to create this card. I will have Crystal's blog linked below in my description box, so you can head on over. There's also a great coupon code that you can grab exclusive to Crystal's group that you could use in the shop. I love the colors in the Christmas Donuts paper pad. We have this beautiful teal and red. So I pulled these colors out from my stash and I thought they would go perfect with this card. Let me flip through this paper pad really quickly. So we have some really fun designs in here. These donuts are just hilarious, and the colors in here I really like. So if you're new to Crystal's group, she does the challenges so you can build up your holiday card stash. So when the holidays come, you will be ready and set to go. So if you participate each month, you're going to build your stash. And you can play with your holiday goodies all year long. It was hard for me to choose which one to play with today because we have so many beautiful collections. Check out the shop. The link will be in the description box for you. So for my two different panels here, I'm going to pick two designs, and I want to pick one with some words or like a pattern like this, and then on the other side I want to have the little donuts. That one's great. That one's fun. I think that would be really fun because they're kind of blown up. That would be really fun. And then for the other side, let's see. This would be kind of cool. That would be neat. This one. This one kind of really goes. So I'm going to make my card base out of this beautiful blue color. So we're going to score that right in half at 5.5. And we will cut that down to 4 1/4. And now we have two top folding card bases. I'm going to go ahead and cut down all my papers. You can get the you can download the sketch on the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers blog. That link's going to be in the description box. You can head on over there and download your sketch. I'm going to play some music and fast forward through the trimming of the papers. In the ephemera pack, there's a sentiment, several sentiments, but the shape goes perfectly with the sketch here. donut open until Christmas is great. We've got sprinkle a little love this Christmas. So I think I'm going to do this one. And then have a little guy at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this together. We're going to pop our little guy up with some foam tape. Okay, we're going to add our cute little donut to the bottom of the card. And then on the inside, I'm going to add a few of these little candy canes and these round little peppermints. Okay, so there's the inside, and we have a cute, cute card. For a finishing touch, I want to add some Nuvo Crystal Glaze to the donut's eyes. Give his eyes a little shine. So here's our finished card. Super, super cute. Really fun to make. So if you would like to participate in the challenge, follow the link below. And good luck. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you next Tuesday for another crafty combination. And here's a previous card I created using the same collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.